Hi, I'm Susan from Srstyle. Hope everybody's having a great day. It's pretty cold here in BC, but hopefully it's not going to snow, but we'll see what happens. I have an unboxing today. It's from Pandora. I got this at the Seven Oaks Mall in Abbotsford, BC. So if you're new to my channel, welcome in. Like, subscribe, share, and comment is always appreciated. And if you're returning, thanks so much for your support. So let's go ahead and unbox this one. They wrap it up really nice. They have pink ribbon. They have pink tissue paper. And let's see here. I have this little box here. I have this little box here. It's kind of cool. They give you a little sticker. That's nice of them. And then I have a bigger box down here. And we'll go ahead and find out what I got. Okay, and this little box here comes with tissue paper that says Pandora. And let me go ahead and unravel it here. It's a little mini Mickey clip. I couldn't find the mini, so I was able to find the Mickey Mouse clip, and I got $35 off at the store. So they were having some pretty good sales. That normally runs about $90, and I got it for $27, so I was pretty happy about that. And then I also got another charm here. It comes in the same kind of packaging. And it's the same charm or clip. It's not really, it's a charm clip. And the way that they work on the new bracelets is you get these little black, they call them rubber or silicone inserts, and you put it inside the clip, and then you can put it on the new bracelets. If you have the older style bracelets, they have a little it's like a little metal piece on either end, and you can attach your clips there. So it just depends on what style bracelet you have. I'm kind of new to Pandora, so I had no idea, but I'm learning as I go. And there's another lady on YouTube. She has a lot of Pandora, really nice, super nice stuff. Her channel is Too Hotta, and she does a lot of go shopping with me and Pandora design, and it's really super good. So I'll leave her channel information below, and she also would like to see my collection, so I'm putting that together. So thanks a lot for the request. I do appreciate that. Alright, and this is my next one that I got at the store. Comes in a Pandora box. It's magnetic, kind of. This is the user guide or care booklet, which is really nice. Then it comes with the brush, and then this is for the clips or to take your charms or clips out. It makes it a lot easier for you. And then on the bottom, take that out, and you got a couple of polishing cloths, which is pretty cool. And then this is probably like a cloth to do the tarnish, maybe a little buffing type of thing. And you could also actually use this as a jewelry box if you wanted to. So that's pretty cool. Alright, and then I have a couple more that I'd like to show you real quick. Alright, I got this from a company overseas that does half-price charms for Pandora. Comes in a box like that. Took a while. I was a little bit scared, but I finally did get my charms. I thought maybe they were missing, and then I'd have to go through that headache. But here's one that I did. I got a couple of pink ones here. They say Pandora on them. And here's the pink with the Mickey ears. Kind of cool. Another pink one. I'm going to use these as like spacers. And then here's a white one with some Mickey ears on it. Really nice. Hopefully that focuses in. Okay. And then I did get a S charm. And it has little crystals on it. It's part of the alphabet and number collection, basically. And then I have my last one that I got off eBay for $5. And I was pretty amazed. This is called the Wonderland Limited Edition Travel Kit. And it has a little leaf here, which is kind of cool. And back here is where you put the wristlet that comes with it. And the wristlet is really pretty. It's green and it has a couple of leaves. See, the leaves are kind of cool. And then this is, you know, obviously your wristlet. And then you open it up like that. It's all black, velveteen-like. And you can put your bracelet, charms, rings, whatever you want, basically. This over here will fit your bracelet. And then you lift it up and you can take this piece out. It's kind of cool. And then you have all this area to put things in. And then also a really nice feature is it has a little expandable, so you can put some stuff here. And then it comes with this really nice pouch. And then you just open it up. And away you go, basically. It just kind of, it doesn't really snap, it just kind of is a little bit of a magnetic. Alright, so for $5, I mean, you can't beat that. I don't know how much this originally cost, but this is from Pandora, so I'm gonna say it was more than $5. So what do you guys think? Alright, so I'll go ahead and leave 2 hot tub in the description below. Make sure you check out her channel. She's really excellent. She has a lot of good tips, and her Pandora collection is stunning, to say the least. Alright, so she knows a lot about it. So that's the person that I've been talking to a lot, and she's been giving me a lot of great tips, and I do appreciate her help. However, I've been helping her with her LV shopping. So it's kind of nice to have friends on YouTube where you can share ideas with, and it's always super appreciated. Alright, so until next time, thanks for watching Susan from Srstyle, from a senior point of view. And I hope everybody has a great week. Stay warm. Bye, guys.